All right, friends, how are you today? Aaron here, bringing you some honest astrology from the new studio space. Been spending all day trying to get this thing together. I got to work on my decor when it's about 2 a.m. and I'm like, all right, I got to work in the morning, so I figured I better shoot this video, get it up. So what is going on? We've got the moon still in Taurus. It's at the later degrees though. So it's going to still form this trine loosely to Pluto. This sextile over to Mars, which is in the later degrees of Cancer. All right, so this is like transforming how we work within our solid ground. You know, it's like we're stable here, and we're transforming. That great Uranus connection that we had about 2 days ago. It's just like, okay, we're learning new things, we're adapting, we're changing what our solid ground is, moving or whatever that is, going on in our own individual lives. Change of work. Change of currency, Bitcoin's on the rise, or all the crypto stuff. So these great changes are amongst us, but we're handling them with kind of a sense of ease, grace, just stable. And we're able to view it differently and take that approach of swimming instead of running, this path of least resistance. So let me show you the chart. Right, so here's this trine to the moon, and then the sextile over here to Mars. Okay, and now a little bit later in the day, so this isn't like a nice active, we're gonna get the chores done, we're gonna get everything done in the day that we have to do, because then a little bit later, 5:30, 6 o'clock, the moon's gonna move into Gemini, which is like super fun, active, getting together, everybody's hanging out, talking, sharing stories, and it's gonna create this odd connection to Saturn. All right, this semi-square, I'll show you here. Boop. So this semi-square is just like Saturn is like, hey, let me check your hall pass. And you're like, no, man, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm going to whatever it is. And he's just like, yeah, did you really get everything done before you go play? Did you just sweep it under the rug, or did you really take care of your stuff? Because you want to get out in the world, you want to be sociable, and now we're creating this a new sextile over here to Mercury in Leo. So this is like a super fun energy. This is a very fun energy. It's like the fire is lit, it's stable, stable fire energy in Leo. It's like this constant fire. It's never going out. It's just like, all right, party time, let's go play. Moon's in Gemini, yeah, let's, this is a good spark. And then you've got Saturn up here like, wait a minute, guys, I just want to make sure everybody's good, which is, there's a balance, like, okay, did you drink too much, Jimmy? Maybe we shouldn't be driving, get an Uber. All right, so there's like this sense of responsibility, but yet still wanting to go out and be social and go out and have fun and hoorah. So that's your Saturday, So just find that balance, whatever's going on in your life, find that balance of okay, get the chores done in the daytime, stable Taurus moon, right? And then a little bit later in the day, things want to lighten up and get sociable as the moon moves into Gemini. Hang out with the friends, talk, gossip. But again, that aspect of Saturn is still don't believe everything you hear. It's up to you. It's up to you. So it's up to you what you do today, how you balance it out, and how you juggle your chores to going out and hanging out with your friends and being social. So have a happy Saturday. I'll work on the decor, and we'll see you tomorrow.